stitch beneath my name, a thread I never chose to claim. They ask me where the road will lead, but don't ask what I've grown to need. A steady hand, a deeper breath, with all the tears that's left unshed. Uniforms, rigid lines, they hide the heart, the fresh mind. She left the map inside my chest to find a voice when I'm a mess. Not the medals, not the fight, it's owning her to make it right. Make it right. This is my devotion, not too fast for the sides. The echo in the silence where her voice still intertwines. 15 hours lost and cold, still learning how to be so bold. The battlefield was never land, its memories are held in hand. Still her daughter is still the same. Now I fight, I make a name, not for glory or fame. I break sometimes, but I don't quit. There's a purpose in the cracks of it. The girl who lost became the guide. Soldiers barely left alive. And when they ask me why I care, I'll say 'cause she's no longer there. No longer there. This is my devotion. It's not duty, it's not pride. It's the way I kept it breathing in the places hope has died. I'm not hope, but I'll give what's mine. Still holding pieces, passing time.
Act like you're gonna cry. Girl!